得让它有一个自动的那个对焦过程。背景。Good morning, Minister.
How are you? Nice day for this. Okay.
Thank you, Your Excellency Ambassador Huang, the leader and member of the technical team from China. I take this opportunity to express our great appreciation here in Fiji for the very generous donation of 20 protocol vehicles from the government of the People's Republic of China. Of course, today signifies time where both of our governments celebrates the long-last technical cooperation and friendship, Your Excellency. These vehicles are realistic examples like others in the past, comprising of 32 pieces of heavy machineries and equipment and the 36-meter fisheries research vessel provided by the government of the People's Republic of China, all for the purpose of enhancing Fiji's economic development. I have been informed that the vehicles carry the very latest technology with a total cost of 12 million RMB, which is equivalent to $4 million Fijian. And I wish to especially thank the technical team for China for their coming to Fiji to assist in the installation of the vehicles and, of course, training of our local drivers and technicians. The arrivals of these vehicles is timely for the upcoming G77 meeting next week, and for which we are indeed grateful. Lastly, Your Excellency, I would like to acknowledge the technical and financial support for the People's Republic of China, and hereby wishes to affirm the government of Fiji's commitment to offer any form of assistance to the People's Republic of China and to further strengthen its technical cooperation and friendship.
Honorable Prime Minister, Commander Yang, Voreqe, Bainimarama, Honorable Ministers and Permanent Secretaries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and Nisabula. I'm delighted to join you all today at the commissioning of the 20 China-aid Hongqi vehicles. The provision of 20 VIP vehicles to Fiji by the Chinese government is another symbol of friendship between our two countries. This is also a follow-up to the fruitful result of the visit paid by Mr. Wu Bangguo, former chairman of the National Congress of China, in September 2012. May I take this opportunity to thank the office of the Prime Minister, the Primary of Finance, the Primary of Works, Land, Transport Authority, and Fiji Revenue and Customs Authority for the assistance they provided with customs clearance, transportation, offloading, and technical service of these vehicles. I'm very proud to know these cars will be fully utilized in the future, first being used as a protocol vehicles in the next week's G77 EPG meeting, and then distribute to the different ministries. And I'm certain that these cars with good quality will earn the certification from both drivers and passengers and bring convenience to public service. The Hongqi vehicles are product by China First Automobile Works, the leading pioneer of Chinese automotive industry. It is self-innovated, developed, and manufactured by China. The protocol VIP vehicle for the visiting French President Mr. Hollande a week ago is Hongqi. It shows our confidence in the quality and technology of Hongqi vehicle. It demonstrates Chinese path of development based on the independence and self-reliance. Now, Fiji is progressing on the same road towards prosperity. I believe with unremitting efforts of the people and government, Fiji will make more and more remarkable achievements in the historical undertaking of building a better Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, at last but not least, allow me to take this opportunity to formally hand over the 20 vehicles with best regards to the Honorable Prime Minister as a token of friendship from the government of China to the government of Fiji. Thank you and Vinaka.